piece of live shrimp. Well, now he's a dead shrimp, but very fresh shrimp. And that is what is attracting the fish here. And sometimes I'm just throwing out a fish bite and catching fish. And then after that, we got to attach to that a swivel. And then the swivel is attached to our main line here. We're going to give it a cast. Let's see if we can hook up a fish right now because it's on fire non-stop. I think there's a school of croakers sitting right out here. And the swivel is attached again to my 15-pound mono main line. And this is the Penn Battle 2500 spinning reel. And the rod is a Bass Pro Gold Cup inshore rod. And I just got a little nibble. Let's see if I can get a fish. Come on. You gotta let him eat it and then set the hook. Nice one. Woo! Here he comes. See how fast that was, guys? Just like that. Fish after fish. The guy next to us has only caught like 5 all day. And I think we've caught quite a few. So I'm telling you, if you want to come do this and catch a whole bunch and fill your cooler, Captain Paul Spurko is the man. Because again, he caught 5, we caught 60. Big difference. All right, folks, as you can see, we got our beautiful croakers and whiting laid out. The tide is coming in, so we need to get these fish cleaned up. But we just took a thumbnail picture for the video and wanted to get a picture of all the awesome fish we caught today. And just so you know, there are no regulations on these 2 fish. So you're allowed to keep as many as you want. We caught a total of 68, which we killed it today. And that's a pretty good day to me. So we got a ton of fish to go back home with and clean up. And I am so excited. But first we gotta clean them up, put them in the cooler, and then I gotta give something special to Captain Paul. We're doing a quick swap among product right here. So Captain Paul is gonna give me his special, what we got here?
Well, what we got the whiting and croaker rigs that we were using today.
Yeah.
And we also have some pompano rigs that we've used in a previous journey.
Yes.
And basically the whiting and croaker rig's gonna carry you through the summer. And then late fall when the